comes to your mind when you hear the term Nirvana? The Buddhist concept of enlightenment? The rock band? Here in the southern state of India, Nirvana has achieved a new meaning. A delicious one at that. Celebrity chef Suresh Pillai is now offering the opportunity for Keralites to taste his signature dish fish Nirvana and more at his newly opened restaurant in Kochi. After Bengaluru, the Restaurant Chef Pillai opened its new branch at Kochi's Meridien Hotel last month. The restaurant, decked up in wood, green and gold themes, exudes a royal charm. Statement decor pieces from Rajasthan adorn the interiors of the restaurant. You can dine in while listening to the subdued background music featuring classic Malayalam audio tracks.
Hello, Chef Pillai here. This is Restaurant Chef Pillai, one of my first restaurant in Kerala, opened in iconic Meridien, Kochi with Marriott. So you can try some authentic Kerala food with some twist and fusion, like a North Indian pani puri with our mango pickle and tempered buttermilk. Also, you know the chats. So we are using sun-dried fig with yogurt and honey, also with the dates and tamarind chutney with Kerala mixtures. And you can see that Western chicken lollipops, like a barbecue chicken lollipops, we are doing that North Malabar delicacy, pulinji chicken, the chicken fried and sorted in the chopped ginger with tamarind and jaggery sauce.
The premium restaurant delivers a fine dining experience with unique dishes and some classic Kerala delicacies.
I am an island boy in Koilon with Lake Ashtamudi. From the childhood I have seen lots of seafood from yellow clams to oyster or even scampies and mud crabs. So this seafood is my best. I always love to cook seafood. When people ask which dish you want to cook. I just simply say it's a seafood because it's easy to cook. So you can find lots of fresh produce from Lake Ashtamudi or even Nindagara, the biggest fishing harbor. I am getting the sea of fish, and we are trying to source one of the best oysters also. So these all recipes, simple homemade recipes and traditional way, but trying to figure it out to presenting to the Kerala audience some fine dining, some best restaurant experience once they come to dine. So they feel an experience I want to create for a dinner or a lunch with your family, friends, or some good occasions. And along with the pairing with some traditional cocktails, that also I am trying to use the local ingredients. For example, we have a drink called Gin Jadika. So we are sourcing some of the nutmeg fruit from the Idiki organic farms and taking the juice and infuse with the bird's eye chili with the gin, or even a patta matanjeri, or and a local tammanam wat 99 with pineapple juices we are using, and bird's eye chilies, green mangoes, star fruits, and bimblis or even pomendo. When the seasonal fruits comes, when the season comes, I am trying to source the local fruits and vegetables and using and pairing with our drink, and it's complement with our flavors.
Fusion dishes like Samparam Pani Puri, Pazhamuri Chaat, Pulinji Chicken and Unniyappam Faluda are some of their star entries of their starter menu. This follows the main course menu consisting of Kerala breads from appam and idiyappam to porota. They are accompanied by Pillai's signature fish Nirvana, classic Kerala chicken, beef, mutton and prawns dishes, and some delicious vegetable side dishes. Once you're done with the main course, it's time for some sweetness. Opt for the Palada cheesecake, which is an absolute delight. Oh, and don't forget to check out their drinks menu. You would find some names that are as interesting as the taste they serve there.